guys, welcome back to our channel. We're back to Simple Home. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Leah.
And today we're back in my kitchen to finish our kitchen organization series. We have organized my cabinets, drawers, and pantry. If you haven't seen those videos yet, please check them out up here or in the description box below. We did some amazing things in this kitchen with baskets and jars, and I think y'all are really gonna love it. But there's one last place that needs to get organized in my kitchen, and that is my refrigerator. So we are gonna tackle that today.
I believe the refrigerator is probably one of the most important appliances in the whole kitchen.
Yeah.
Just think about it. We're in it breakfast, lunch, dinner, and all the in-between times we're trying to get things out. So we need it highly functional and organized for your family. Are you ready to get started?
I'm ready, yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Oh, not bad. This actually looks very clean, and I can see, I can kind of see what's going on, but I think what we have planned for your refrigerator, you're gonna really love, because we wanna organize it where it's very functional for your family. We want to take a lot of the foods out of the packaging like we did in the pantry, and we also want to put them in really nice containers that are clear so you can really see everything. And I'm so excited to get started. But first of all, we need to take everything out. We need to wipe it all down, sanitize all the shelves and all the walls of the refrigerator, and then we'll have a clean slate to work with.
Okay.
These clear containers are a must for organizing your refrigerator. They are so handy. You can pull them out of the refrigerator. Say this is a lunch bin. You can have all your lunch items in one container. You can put them on the counter, and you can really simplify making lunches. Here's another item that I really love for the refrigerator. This glass bottle is really beautiful and simple, and all of your drinks are going to go in these bottles.
Okay.
It actually is better for your milks and your juices to be kept in glass.
Yeah, and you could even do like infused water in there. That would be really pretty. I feel like I would also drink a lot more water throughout the day if I had a really pretty jar of water with fruit.
Great idea. I love that. I think we all would drink more water if we
Yeah.
had it in a pretty container. Are you ready to start filling our containers?
Let's go. All right, guys, we finally just finished organizing my fridge, and we are so excited about how it turned out. I can't wait to show you. So let's go ahead and take a peek inside. I love it. I'm so excited. The first thing I noticed when we open these doors is just how neat and pretty it all looks, and it gets me excited to cook and to get in there and grab a snack. And it just kind of inspires me, which is what we were going for.
Right. So I'm glad you like it, Ashley, how everything turned out. I think it's very practical for your family. First of all, we put all your drinks on the top, so easy access here. And I love how the clear containers have really helped show everything off. You know, we took your milks out even, and your eggs, and we think it shows off real nicely, all your things. And you'll be able to pop in here and grab something out real quickly this way. Okay, on the second shelf, we have your leftovers. We have them in glass containers, airtight glass containers, and we have them clearly labeled with the dates that they went into the refrigerator. We have all the berries that we wanted to show them off also, and we wanted to put them in there where you could see exactly what you have, and they don't get pushed back in the refrigerator and you forget about them. Okay, on the next shelf, we have two bins that we made. We made a breakfast bin and a lunch bin. I think these will really help you at lunchtime, breakfast time also. You're gonna grab one out and you're gonna put it on your counter, and you're gonna be able to whip up breakfast real quickly, I think. And lunch the same. I think that's going to help you guys. Because I know you want to keep rolling when you're homeschooling. You want everything to go smoothly.
Yeah, we need mealtime to be quick and easy.
Exactly. So. The next thing we have is a drawer that's holding 2 meal preps for you. If you want to put a meal on early in the morning, you have a great start right there. If you want to wait till the boys go down for a nap and start your evening meal, then we have a meal that you can start. You know, you've got a jump start right here.
That's gonna be awesome.
I know. I think you'll really like that. Also down here, we wanted to show off your vegetables. Some you grew, some I grew, and some are from the grocery store. But we wanted to show off all the vegetables that your family loves, and we wanted to make it where you don't forget to use those, you know, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
I know that's the fruit and veggies in here are my favorite part because they just look so pretty. And it makes us want to grab for the healthy things when they look so pretty. So
I know.
I love that.
Right, and on the bottom we have your fruits, and the boys can actually jump in there and grab an orange out, you know, it's right there. And it's out, everything is out of the packaging too, makes it easy. Okay, over here on the door we have your butters, of course, and then right here we have some drinks that are easy to access, and this water especially, we want it right here, so you will jump in here all day long and grab for this. Right. Okay, right here we have a condiment tray for you, but we got the wrong sizes, so we are going to be getting the right sizes in these really cute bottles, and we're going to be filling them and with your ketchups, your dressings, and all the things that you're going to need, you know, for your salads and sandwiches. Right here we have your seeds that you need for your smoothies, and down here we have a little bin for the boys to open the refrigerator door up themselves and grab either apple slices, a little snack to go, or a drink.
That's great.
I think your refrigerator is all set up. Let's look now at the freezer. All right, so on the top shelf, we have the same idea going on in the freezer as we do in the fridge. We have the clear containers so you can see everything really well. We've got your breakfast on the top shelf. That can be easy to grab. We also have some vegetables, and you'll keep your meat in a tray on the back shelf. And also here, because we know you love smoothies and you try to get one in every day, we have a whole container dedicated to your smoothies. We have the fresh fruit, we have the greens, and we have your nuts here on the side. All right, and then we have some frozen desserts here on the side also. And that wraps up your refrigerator.
I love it. I'm so excited. It's going to be so helpful for our family.
Good. That's what we wanted it to be.
So that wraps up our kitchen organization series in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. We had a lot of fun, and my life is just going to be so much easier with an organized kitchen. So I hope y'all were able to get some tips and ideas from these videos. If you missed any of the other videos, the pantry and the cabinets and drawers, please go check those out. We'll have them in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we would love to hear from you. So please comment below, and we will see you in our next video. Bye guys.
Bye.